Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing fine. I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to make a peplum top. You can pair it up with trousers, jeans, plazos, jeggings, culottes, and to give a Indo-Western look I've paired it up with skirt as well. So let's get started. So this is the fabric which I've got for the top, and you can see this has some pattern lines, and I'm planning to take these lines like vertically, not horizontally. So I'm gonna fold the fabric that way. I'll start quickly laying down the fabric. So first I'm gonna cut the body part. So I am gonna fold it the way I'm showing you in the video, and the ready length of body would be around 16 inches. So I'll mark here 17.5 for the length, and then I'll mark my shoulder width, which would be 7.5, and I'll mark same measurement for bust line. This is my bust line. I'll draw a line here. I'll draw a curve for the armhole. I'll mark my bust measurement 10 inches and waist measurement on the bottom part of the body. For the waist, I'll make little curve here. I'll cut this now. I'm planning to make boat neck for this one. So the width would be around 4.5 inches, and length for the boat neck would be around 5 inches. I'll draw a curve, and for the front one I'll make it little deeper. I'll use this leftover fabric to make the sleeves. The length of the sleeves I'm gonna make would be around 11 inches. So this length would be around 12.5. I'll measure 3 inches from here and 7.5 inches here. I'll draw a curve for the sleeve. I'll make a line here, and then I'll cut it. For waist down part, I'll take rest of the fabric, fold it like a triangle as we do for umbrella kurti. I'll make sure the length of this is same. Then I'll mark 11 inches from all the sides, and then I'll cut this like a small frock. I'll cut it straight from here. So this part would be my waist down part. I'll cut lining for all of the pieces. To begin with stitching, I'll take both body parts, front and back panel, and then I'm gonna make neckline for both of them with the lining. I'll join them through the shoulders now. To join them through the shoulder, I'll make a stitch line as I'm showing you in the video. I've sewn both the panels from the shoulders. You can see how it is looking. I'll take the sleeve now and I'll join it with the lining from the hemline. You can see it is sewn from the hemline, and now I'm gonna fold it this way for both the sleeves. I'll fold the sleeves and make the curve little deeper for the front side. And now I'll attach these sleeves to the top. The top is looking like this. Now I'm planning to make 2 dots on the front and back side. I've sewn these darts for front and back panel, and now I'm gonna join the waist down part with the body. After attaching this part, I'll sew it from the sides, and once the sides are sewn, I'll turn it inside out and I'll make a hemline here. I used zigzag stitch to make the hemline here. And with this, the top is now ready. And to show you guys, I've paired it up with plazo pants, jegging, and for Indo-Western look, I've paired it up with a skirt. Please comment below which look you like the most. I hope you like this video. For more fashion videos, please subscribe to the channel. I'll be back with a new video soon. Bye bye.